What's up, guys? Today is January 21st. We are on food/utensil. I did say January, right? I think I did. I had to correct one the last time. No, for some reason I just wanted to be February for some reason. My son's birthday's in February, and my daughter's birthday's in January, so that's kind of weird. But anyways, today we have picked, I don't know if you can even see it. You couldn't see it, and it don't look like, but you can see I was doing something with the camera, but you couldn't see what it was. So we have picked strawberries and apples and bananas. I put them in a little, I put them in a little bowl here, a little glass bowl. Just to see what I could get. Oh man, it's the first time holding this camera with the the new tripod, but I did just take it up from the spot that it was in, so I know it was a little shaky. Sorry, guys. Anyways, that's what I am doing currently. Trying to get a good shot, which, I mean, it's turning out pretty interesting. I did have one on top of there also that I took, which that may have came out better than these, and then again, I don't know, I kind of like this too. That, I think, kind of looks like a flower almost, how it's got that hole in the center, and it's pretty nice. It's pretty interesting. I'm playing around with it. I've seen similar stuff like this before. Just didn't have a lot of time to fool with getting it exactly how I wanted it. So, because of work and taking care of Eli and until my wife gets home and things of that sort. So it's rough trying to do this on a work day. But anyways, I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments what you think about it, and let me know which one you like. 1, 2, or 3. 3's getting to be my number now. It's about three photos, but so I'll probably stay with 3 and just let you pick which one you like, and we will see you tomorrow for Friday the 22nd, and tomorrow's a wild card, so we'll see what I got planned. I already got something in store. So we'll have to wait and see. We'll see you tomorrow, guys. Have a good night.